Again lang ga. My name is
My name is
Christian.
Christian.
My family name is
Christian.
Credo.
Ito.
Okay, your complete name. My name is
Christian Pedro.
very good. Do you know your name? Can you say it?
Yeah.
Say it na lang ga.
Eat.
No lang ga. Dito yung name. Say dito name. Na, okay. What is your first name? Again. Sige Abla ka my name is Christian. Sige na.
Yan.
What is your first name?
Christian.
What is your family name?
Christian Pedro.
No, family name lang.
Family.
Credo.
Pedro.
What is your complete name?
Family Pedro.
Again. What is your complete name?
Christian Pedro.
Very good. Again, what is your first name?
Christian.
Very good. What is your family name?
Christian Pedro.
Family name lang. Credo.
Family
Credo.
Pedro.
What is your complete name? Nana, babe, what is your complete name? Complete name dito yun.
Christian Pedro.
Yay! Very good. Badaki lang nga, oh.
Sabi siya lang yun.
Say it. Sige, scribe ki dito yung name. No, not silent head. Name dito yun. Small letter lang. Practice ito small letter. Write to dito yung name. Christian Credo.
Christian Pedro na.
Siguro.
Small.
H.
Kabuya.
R. Very good. I. S. Ano man ito po? O. H. H. And Credo. T. R. Baho yan ka to eh. Sige. Sige. R. E.
Triangle.
E.
Ito isa.
D. O. Kilangga more practice lang. Very big mong katil. Oh, small lang nga silang na-line.
Diba?
Diba?
Oh?
Again daw, my name is... what is your first name lang ga? Christian. Again. Ano ba ito si Ulbida? Christian. This one is your first name lang ga.
Christian.
Christian. What is your first name?
Christian.
Okay, very good. What is your family name?
Huh?
Family name. This one, ah. What's that? Credo. What is your family name? Credo. Ah, bless you. Credo.
Ledo.
Credo.
Ledo.
What is your family name?
Ledo.
Credo.
Ledo.
What's that?
What's your machine?
Washing machine. Na-drawing lang ka to.
Este es clase
Di ko na to. Name dito yun. Umado ng drawing. What is your first name?
Christian.
Christian.
What is your family name?
Credo.
Ledo.
Okay, what is your complete name?
Christian Credo.
Christian Ledo.
Yeah, no, CJ lang, CJ lang. Okay, what is your first name? What is your Christian? Very good. What is your family name?
Ledo.
Very good. What is your complete name?
Christian Ledo.
Yay! Very good. Very good si bata.